Good evening, candidate number one.
Good evening, sir.
So I have a very simple question. What do you think is the greatest asset of Barangay Tinongkog?
The greatest asset. The greatest asset of Barangay Tinongkog is its people. Their unity, resilience, and willingness to help each other make our community strong and vibrant. Because us people are the heart of our barangay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number one, the smallest, but with a win and of course victory that denied. Thank you so much.
Yes, now let's welcome candidate number 2. How are you, candidate number 2?
I'm fine.
Okay, please pick up your envelope. And you pick Mr. Miko Jordan.
Hello. Hi, Precious. Are you ready for your question? Okay, your question is, what makes you proud as a constituent of Barangay Tinongkog? Again, what makes you proud as a constituent of Barangay Tinongkog?
There's a lot of things to be proud of. And as a constituent, I am proud of my barangay because we have a lot to offer. We can compete and we excel. And we will because we can. Thank you.
Very well said, candidate number 2.
We will because we can. Thank you so much. Now let's proceed with candidate number 3. A stunning candidate number 3. How are you feeling right now?
A little bit nervous at the same time excited.
And it's very normal being nervous. And of course, you must be excited. So inhale, exhale, and pick your judge. Thank you so much. Candidate number 3 and candidate number 3 pick Judge Sakura Bonilla.
Good evening, candidate number 3. Your question is, what's the best word to describe Barangay Tinongkog and Buwan? Again, what's the best word to describe Barangay Tinongkog and Buwan?
Our barangay is best described as diverse. It is only in our barangay that variety of cultures, beliefs, dialects, and religions are presented. The Blaan, Muslims, Tibolis, and Ilonggos are living together in one community, which shows that we can be one. We can be united although we have differences. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Indeed, unity over diversity.
Yes. Now let's welcome candidate number 4. How are you tonight, candidate number 4? Okay, so please pick up your envelope. And your question will be coming from Miss Yaniki Laguda.
Aside sa guwapo at masipag siya, as a youth, if given a chance to speak to our SK Chairman, Honorable Vincent Figueroa, what would you tell him and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If mabibigyan na ako ng chance upang makausap si Honorable Vincent Figueroa, masasabi ko lamang sa kanya ay maraming salamat dahil sa pagiging mabait niya, mabait niya na leader sa mga kabataan, isa pa din siyang tumutulong na isang SK na leader. That's all. Thank you.
Very well said, candidate number 4.
Maraming salamat daw po sa ating mabait at masipag na SK Chairman. Now let's proceed with candidate number 5. May we know which purok or sitio candidate number 5 is representing tonight?
I am representing the beautiful Purok Bauyan.
Ayun. And of course, we don't want to miss this chance. What would you like to tell to your supporters na napakalakas sumigaw para sa iyo tonight?
Thank you, Gid, sa inyo nga pagsuporta sa ako. I love you.
Ayan, lumalaban yung sigaw nila sa ating speaker. Ayan. So, please pick a judge. And the question for you will be coming from our judge. And you picked the chairperson of our selection committee, Vice Mayor Erlinda Arantio.
Hi, Gabi. Candidate number 5. Kalma, di magpakumbak. This is your question. What are your dreams and aspirations for Barangay Tinongko in the future and why? I repeat your question. What are your dreams and aspirations for Barangay Tinongko in the future and why?
My dreams and aspiration for Barangay Tinongko is to be the most peaceful Barangay Tinongko. The value of maintaining peace in society cannot be underestimated. Peace is the foundation on which a society is built, and without it, the community will be destroyed by conflict and chaos. And that would be, thank you.
Peace is indeed what we need in this cruel world. And I should say, hindi pala si candidate number 6. So just to cut that out. Alright, how are you, candidate number 6?
I'm feeling good and confident. Okay, please speak up your answer. And you pick Mr. Ivan Rabura.
Hello, candidate number 6. Good evening. Okay, my question is, what is your greatest achievement in life and how will you inspire others to continue striving to reach their dreams? I repeat, what is your greatest achievement in life and how will you inspire others to continue striving to reach their dreams?
Thank you for your question. For me, the greatest achievement in my life is always prioritizing my education. As a working student, it is hard for me to balance my study while working. But seeing the situation of my family, I realized that I need to work hard for me to give my family a better life that we deserve. So, to all dreamers out there, we should invest in our education as it is the foundation for achieving our dream in life. Thank you!
All I can say is, wow, beautifully said. Indeed, education is the key to success, but all the more very powerful message to all